You may have heard about a recent discovery regarding the possibility of life on Mars, made by the Perseverance rover in Jezero crater, located in a river valley. The rover found a rock with very peculiar characteristics, never seen before on Mars. Light spots surrounded by black halos, similar to leopard spots. These formations deserve further investigation, as they may be associated with past life on Mars. However, before jumping to conclusions, it's important to clarify the details. In 1984, an Antarctic expedition found a meteorite in the Allen Hills named Allen Hills 84001. This meteorite, studied in 1996, contained microscopic fossil traces of bacterial origin, according to a study published in Science. Since Allen Hills 84001 is one of the oldest known Martian meteorites, finding fossil traces on it could suggest the presence of past life on Mars. However, the discovery faced numerous criticisms, as it was based solely on the morphological observation of fossils that resembled those on Earth. Today, we are again facing a discovery that suggests the possibility of past life on Mars. We know almost for certain that Mars once hosted liquid water, as evidenced by mineralogical traces, including the blueberries found by Opportunity in Meridiani Planum and the lake sediments observed by Curiosity in Gale Crater. These pieces of evidence, along with geomorphological observations from satellites, indicate the presence of rivers, river deltas, and perhaps an ocean on Mars. The presence of water does not necessarily imply the presence of life, although it is a fundamental ingredient. Water was present on Mars for about 1 billion years, between 4 and 3 billion years ago, a period coinciding with the appearance of life on Earth. Therefore, Martian missions focus on searching for traces of past life. Although it is unlikely to find active life forms on Mars today, the hope of finding traces of past life remains. Perseverance is located in Jezero crater, where a river delta fed an ancient lake, an ideal place to search for traces of life, as river deltas on Earth are rich in biodiversity. Recently, Perseverance discovered a particular rock, called Siva Falls, with white spots surrounded by black halos, similar to those observed on Earth produced by certain microbes in river environments. However, before drawing definitive conclusions, it is essential to consider all possibilities and further analyze these spots. Perseverance analyzed the rock with the Sherlock instrument, scanning habitable environments with Raman and luminescence for organics and chemicals, which identified organic molecules, fundamental for life but not indicative of it in the absence of other evidence. Organic molecules can also be found in uninhabitable environments, such as comets and asteroids. The spots on the Siva Falls rock were further studied with instruments like PIXL, planetary instrument for X-ray lithochemistry, which revealed a composition rich in iron and phosphate in the dark edges of the spots. These formations had never been observed before on Mars and resemble fossil structures of microbes found on Earth. However, further study is necessary to determine whether these structures are of biological or abiotic origin. On July 21st, Perseverance collected a sample from this rock, which will be brought back to Earth by the Mars Sample Return mission, scheduled for 2040. Laboratory analysis will clarify the nature of these formations and determine whether they are related to microbial life. In the meantime, it's important not to draw hasty conclusions. While the discovery is fascinating, life is not the only interesting aspect of studying planets. Planetary sciences integrate many disciplines, including chemistry, biology, geology, and astrophysics, to better understand the formation and evolution of planets. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel.